Hi everyone, I'm Po-Yang Chen, and I'm so glad to be here and introduce DSI 2599 and IoT Service Hub here. Okay, let's start. First, let's talk about the service of IoT Service Hub and how to join our program. What does IoT Service Hub do? We provide manufacturing-oriented guidance program, helping companies check existing product inventory, run diagnoses regarding business operation, and even refer cases to professionals. We have 3 branches in Taipei, Taichung, and Kaohsiung. Simply speaking, these are our main business like develop prototypes, connects to experts, and service launching. You can check our website, there will be more information. For example, we assist the products of these 2 companies' introduction for domestic chip solution, NB design, also prototyping, and trial production. For this business of developing prototypes, you can refer to our website. We provide IoT data platforms and evaluation board made in Taiwan to help you develop prototypes. About the evaluation board, we cooperate with a well-known IC design company in Taiwan, such as Realtek, Nuvoton, and MediaTek. We also offer other assistance like bone table building, PCB prototyping, and more. About IoT data platforms, we provide individual cloud space to collect data, which can be linked to an unlimited number of devices and supports multiple sensor interfaces. We provide 4 kinds of development boards you can choose according to your requirement. About DSI 5168 development board, which use Realtek Amoeba RTL8711AM chipset, integrating Wi-Fi module and Arduino IDE support. About DSI 2598 development board, which use MediaTek MT2625 chip, integrating NB-IoT module and Arduino IDE support. About DSI 2599 development board, which use Nuvoton NuMaker-IoT-M487 chip, support MicroPython, and provide Arduino Uno expansion hardware interface. About DSI 5188 development board, which use Netlink OPL 1000 chip, integrating Wi-Fi and Bluetooth functions. This is our data platform, Ideas Chain. In addition to being a server of the data platform, it also provides application examples, dev tools, and support for user downloading. We will help link you to technical experts. The IoT Professional Consulting Team is a group of experts from different fields who have professional experience in new product pilot run, mass production, system integration, and product design. If you want to share your expertise, create innovative products, or contact with potential IoT products, please scan the QR code and join IoT Professional Consulting Team. About service launching, we can help you analyze on market demand and cooperate with domestic and foreign brands to provide market shortcuts. Simply speaking, we provide market access, pre-market testing, target audience guidance. As long as the product has a simple prototype, it's ready for trial production, or it's ready to sell, you can welcome to submit a proposal to join our program. Scan the QR code now. Next, I want to introduce the key points of today. DSI 2599 Development Board. This is DSI 2599. About feature, DSI 2599 support MicroPython and provide Arduino Uno expansion hardware interface as well, which allows you to plug various Arduino shells on DSI 2599. And here is the specification about the operating characteristic. Working voltage is from 1.8 to 3.6. Temperature range from -40 degrees Celsius to 105. About available memory for user is up to 2.5 MB flash memory, 160 KB RAM, including 32 KB external SPI flash. About communication interface, it has UART, I2C, SPI, and micro SD card. And here is more information about system and peripherals. Let's see the front side of the board. It had RJ45 Ethernet connector, 9-axis sensor, Arduino Uno expansion interface, and 3.5mm headset jack. About back, it has Wi-Fi module and micro SD card slot. Here are more information about the pin definition and configuration. Next, I will introduce the development tool supported by DSI 2599. In embedded systems, a BSP is a layer of software containing hardware-specific drivers. We support GCC, KLMDK, and IRA System Development Tool IDE. This is NuLink driver, which is exclusive to DSI 2599, run in KLMDK and IRA System Development IDE. It can debug, track, and analyze programs and support unlimited breakpoints. About code programming, you can use NuLink 2 tools. Supported offline burning and USB UART SPI I2C for ISP upgrade, monitoring real-time information about current SPI I2C data transmission. And here are another programmer tools. DSI 2599 has NuLink 2 Me program module on it. About GPIO pin configuration, we provide two tools. This is pin config, used for pin configuration, initial code generation, and Protel part data generation. Generate pin configuration code with C file. This is pin view tool function, real-time monitoring of pin status and register setting. Display the setting value of the selected pin and one of invalid setting. Add on under KLMDK and our system development environment. We also provide cloud service example code compatible with all series of API and video source. Please check the Nuvoton website. Here is some application reference designs. This is Smart Digital Identification System. Use M481 CSI interface for image binarization calculation of use DSP for convolution calculation. The QVGA image captured by the CMOS sensor is digitally identified through neural algorithms such as machine learning. This case is Interactive Smart Power Manager. Real-time detection of current and power consumption and display on QVGA. and then upload data to the cloud via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Combined with voice command recognition, realize remote circuit switch control. First, we need to download the firmware first, and you need to go to the NuMaker-IoT GitHub and download this firmware bin file first. We need to turn to all the ISW1 switch to on, and then we plug in the micro USB. And we need to copy the firmware bin to new micro MCU. After we copy the firmware, we need to change the USB to USB 1.1. And then you need to press the SW2 and reset. And you can see the main pi and boot pi. After that, you can compile your code now. This is the end. Thanks for your time to participate and for listening. If you have any questions, please contact with us.